Hello everybody, welcome to my lesson. Let's continue image implementation, our services and controllers. We finalized our portfolio previous lesson. Let's continue with the other one. Actually, I didn't check which one is the next. Let's have a look together. This is entity layer, web application entities, portfolio, about portfolio down service. We don't have any pictures, social media nav, team. Yeah, we have file in team and testimonial. Okay, these two is going to be next. And let's start with the open our services. Now portfolio, we're going to use portfolio as a source, and let's open team section now. Let's copy from portfolio to the team add. All right, so we need to add image helper, private read. Oops, sorry. Private read only I image help image helper. Let's add parameter to our constructor. All done, and now let's change it to the team. Anything else do we need? It's all good. Now we need to add our delete image helper dot delete image and team dot file name. Perfect. Let's do the update now. Let's copy from update portfolio and update this section as well. Perfect. Let's change the names. So this is team. All done. Image result. Let's change the enumerators. All good. And let's change all team. Perfect. Let's open our now controllers. Where is our controllers? Sorry, views. Actually, in our views, we don't have, I guess. Let me have a look quickly. Authentication home. No, not that one. Area, admin, controller. No, it's not controller. View, team. Alright, add team. Let's delete those two. We don't need them anymore. And up. Let's have a look. Update. Let's delete these two. Control KD. Let's change the path images at model dot file name. Probably it's going to work, and let's view in browser and try to accomplish this section as well. Now let's open our images. Okay, all right, so we already have a team member, but I'm gonna add a new one. So name is my name, my title, just write test. These are nullable, and let's add this random picture. Let's submit it now. Let's have a look at our images section, guys. I'm submitted, and image is here now. We are here. Let's edit it. When we edit it, we are able to see every detail about our section. Let's change the name with random things. Okay, choose file. Let's change the image with something different. Let's submit it. Have a look quickly our team section. The old one is gone. The new one is here. Let's edit it. Here we go. Every detail has been changed as well. Okay, let's try to delete it now. Just delete it and it's gone. Perfect. Okay, it's working. And have a look how many minutes is that. It's just 5 minutes. Let's finish the testimonials as well, and we can finalize the image implementation in this lesson. All right, let's save everything, close all tabs. Let's close all tabs, minimize everything, and start over. Service layer, services, web application, concrete, and testimonial and team. Let's copy from team to testimonial. This is the add section. Let's add our image helper, private read only image helper, image helper. Let's add our structure. Yep, it's done. Let's do the delete method. Testimonial dot file name, and let's do the update. Yeah, this is the update. Let's copy from team to testimonial, and this is going to be old testimonial, and everything is same. Yep, I'm just going to change to testimonial. Did I change this one as well? Let's have a look. No. Testimonial, yep, is done. And let's copy the last section and old testimonial file name. Alright, let's save this one. Let's have a look quickly and test this section as well. Admin view testimonial within browser. Let's have a test quickly and finish this lesson here. Yes, that add new testimonial of just write something randomly and add a random image. It's a PNG. Let's find the JPEG. Submit. Let's have a look. Testimonials has been created. This is the image. Alright. Now let's update it now. I guess this is the one. No. Oh, I didn't add any picture here. So let's have a look quickly about our um, update testimonial section. Yeah, we didn't add anything. Let's delete those two tests as well. What is this? ASP4 ID comes with the value test. It's interesting why I did this like that. No. Just delete it. Let's have a quick look at the team section. Yeah, it's normal. And also we need the image here. Why didn't I use the image here? Let's take this one. Put it here. Yeah, we didn't put any name to it. Team members. Okay. And this is going to be testimonial here. Images file name. Let's have a quick look to this one. I really wonder how it's going to be look like. Now we in browser. And this is testimonial. Let's edit it. Yeah, here we go. The picture here and the information here. Name, title, command, choose file. Okay, the picture of the person, I guess, is going to be here. Alright, it's alright, no problem at all. Yeah, and is there anything that I can do? Actually, this, I don't know, this image really big for a person. For portfolio is okay, and for the for the team one as well. Oh, team member. What's happened to team members? Oh, this is the old one. I know. Okay, no problem at all. Just choose a file and add one JPEG and update it. And let's make edit. Yeah, this picture seems really big. So let's. Do we have any time? Yes, just 11 minutes. Okay, let's try to fix this section. And yeah, let's try. Let's have a try. Oh, but if I didn't like it, I'm going to use the old one anyway. Any circumstances, it's no problem. Okay, let's add a div here. And I can add something to those classes. So it's going to be call 8. No, call 4. Call 8. What's gonna happen if I add like that? Let's have a look. This is testimonial, right? View in browser. If it's not gonna work, I'm just gonna reverse it. I don't wanna um, use my time as a front end configurations. No, it's yeah, it's on the downside. I'm gonna bring it to the next to it. So we need to add we need to make a row, I guess. Let's add a class, make a row here. Let's have a quick look now. Let's edit now. Yeah, this is I would like how I would like to see it. It's all right. Now I'm going to make it more responsive, and after medium screen I want it to be more, yeah, call MD 4. Let's make it MD as well. Let's save it now. We're in browser. Alright, now make it small. Hmm, MD is not enough, I guess. Let's make it large. Let's make it large. We're in browser. Edit. Yeah, this is good, I guess. When it comes to the large screen, it's becoming bigger. Here we go. Alright. Large is good, I guess. Let's close it now. And I'm gonna add same thing to the team update team. Let's add a div class row. Take this to the downside. Oops. Control KD and call large for no for the cards, yeah, and make it 8. Perfect. All right, all done, and we finished our photo implementation as well. So do we have any in photo implementation? Let's have a look. Let's see our enumerators. Identity done. About portfolio team test mode. All of them is done. All right. Let's finish this lesson here and let's continue with the other section on our other lesson. Take care of yourself, guys. See you on next lesson. Bye bye.